What's good? I am back. Thanks for your patience. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't to our lovely channel. This is an unboxing video. I feel like I should actually mention, or you know, I can't believe that they're saying that Trapstar is going to be liquidated. But I've heard that another retailer in the sort of sportswear kind of adjacent field is going to be taking over or making a bid for Trapstar. But that's not what this video is about. Anyway, this is an unboxing of a fragrance that I've been looking at for a while. I can get the box open without revealing my address. Which opens the door up to a conversation like, can we still continue to have luxury in this day and age with the economy the way it is, and having things posted and then waiting for the post to arrive and it still be a luxury experience? We'll soon find out. I think the box that they sent in was a bit excessive, but again, we'll keep it sustainable, we'll renew and recycle. This doesn't look like the kind of package that a fragrance will come in, but we'll see. Without revealing my address, okay, we just put it into a bigger sort of carrier bar. That's more decorative, so you don't know what it is that's coming. This is cute. I hope I didn't double click and order two by accident. What the hell? Bruh. Very nicely wrapped. I ordered it online. Can you guess which fragrance it is? It's one of the popular ones. What's this say? Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. Our products are crafted by experienced artisans with the finest materials. We wish you a fantastic journey with your new product. To discover the services we offer, please visit your My Louis Vuitton account and download the LV app to enjoy added benefits. Cute. And then inside, you've got your receipt and a return label. Oh, that's cool. So you get your little message in this. You get this whole box with the orange inlay, which I guess you can put into recycling or use for something else, like vintage. And then for the people who are fans, oh, they give you a box. They give you a bag, the shopping bag that would have come with it if you bought it in the store, which is always nice. And then you got this Louis Vuitton with a nice little fun illustration of Louis Vuitton bellboy. Anyway, it's a fragrance. I don't know why the box is huge like this. Oh, nice little push button. It's push to unveil. Oh, they really nicely wrapped it and stuff. It's literally just for me. Oh, it's not really wrapped to be honest. Oh wow. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. Okay, so you've got your testers. Let me do an unveil so you can show you what. It had little tissue paper, and it had obviously space for your two testers and the fragrance, which you all know and love. Imagination. I think I've got it as a tester as well. Like, before you know it, like, you will quickly rack up a number of fragrances, especially the Louis Vuitton ones. They're so nice. You're thinking, what does it smell like? Very fresh. I don't know if I could call it floral. It's got green tea in it. It's light. It's fun. It's an all year round fragrance, but I think it smells best in the summertime. It's just a vibe. It's very, very sexy, and you should only gift it to someone if they're a very, very sexy person, or just don't bother. So, what testers did I get? I'm not gonna butcher French. Maybe a lemons tea. And wait, Nouveau Monde. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, different ones from what we have in a box. I would recommend, if you're gonna buy one impulsively, take your time, live with it, get a couple of testers if you can in store. If not, order it and order some testers, one of which would be the main fragrance that you want to open, so that if you want to return it, you can return it without it being unopened and still get a full refund. Always a vibe. Well, I know what I like, and this is going to be another one in the collection. So there's going to be like Ombre Nomade, there's Afternoon Swim, there's also Imagination, and I think, don't tell it all, Immensity and Nouveau Monde are going to be following on soon. Yeah, anyway, tell me what your favorite Louis Vuitton fragrance is. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go immediately into my next video, which I'm gonna edit. Here's Cliff. I'm back again. This time, I'm just gonna go through, I don't know, like gifts that you can get anybody that I think have been quite cool, and things I've bought recently. If you know someone who's into YouTube and making podcasts or creative content, get them these Rode mics. They come in clutch. I'll be number one on my gift list for the guy or girl who has everything. Number two, skincare wise, like, you've got to take care of yourself and have your self-care days, and like, in terms of skincare, things that I think are non-abrasive and kind of work well with a lot of different skin types, don't cause any kind of fungal acne or anything, and kind of universally can be used by anyone. Ordinary came through with a salicylic acid. You need your acids. And then lactic acid is another one. Tea tree oil, just for like blemishes and oily skin. And then these Starface pimple patches I've become a fan of. The black one because it blends in, and I think it's just timeless. But then I've got the case as well, and I don't know. Yellow, I think, might work well. Just make your imperfection bearable and livable. And it may not, I don't know, be totally effective and do what it says on the tin, but I guess if you have a bump or a spot, it'll stop you at least from touching it and it getting infected. Almost like a plaster, a fun plaster. It's supposed to absorb the fluid and protect your skin and shrink spots, but I guess in its simplest form, it just stops you from picking them or touching them. So that's that. So maybe Starface skincare items will all be in another. I'll just lump that into number two. We'll keep it short and sweet. I don't want to get beyond 5. What other things can you get that are sort of cost effective or won't kill you or break the bank in this economy? I don't know, luxury, like a candle. See, I went and bought, forgot that I had even bought this Diptyque candle. It's a new flavor that they have. No butchering of the French language. Well, I think it's just rhubarb. It smells amazing. And then you get your 2 little testers, which for this price point you've already paid for. So we'll go there. We're sitting at number 3. What else could I recommend that's not too expensive? A reading book. I actually just started this book and I'm already gripped. I just like the way it sort of depicts London from the very start, like based around the Thames and how it works in its historical origins. And this is London Falling, by Patrick Radden Keefe, and I think there's a lot of different reviews of it. I would say just pick up the book and read it. Just read a couple of pages, and I think you'll be gripped. Especially if you're a Londoner, you can relate, and if you're from any major big city, it just sheds light on many things, many aspects of living in a major city. So I'll definitely recommend it, and I've literally barely started it. The next thing I recommend, so we're on to number 4. So number 5, is summer maybe a pair of sunglasses. Yeah, a good pair of sunglasses. Let me see if this actually fits. Sorry, side note, I just want to see if my star face fits inside of this. It kind of fits inside of Bobbiana. Let's see. It's just a bit too thick, but still going strong. You know what does fit in here? My AirPods, but I've left them in another location. Random sidebar. So not that, but maybe you would want to get an accessory. Sunglasses are not for you and you've got too many sunglasses. Get an accessory. This is another Louis Vuitton one. Let's see, what are we working with sunglasses wise? I'm sure. Or get yourself a side bag or something for the summer, so things are just not falling out of your pockets when you may be cycling or go into the park. You want a good like utility bag. This one was Trapstar, and it's just like lightweight, mesh, waterproof. It's got a toggle thing at the front, so you can put whatever you want, your sweets, whatever in it. It's got the zip pocket, and then it's got the mesh bit at the back, and it's got it in the compartment, which is always good. This you could probably put a tiny, I don't know, like whatever in it, a lighter or what, like, oh, sunscreen for the summer. Like, we want Factor 50, we want it. Sunbum is a good brand. I want to say Nivea's got some good like no cost, like goes on clear to this on the skincare products that are like sunscreen. Also, La Poche Rosé has got some banging products also. Yeah, anyway, I have sunglasses here. I think these are the old like this gives Love Island style, innit? Gosh. Turn down the reflection, but yeah. And I think these have probably gone down in price everywhere. Check your local, I don't know, I was going to say check Prada directly online because you'll get the customer service experience, but you could always go to a reseller, not a reseller, but a reputable one, but you know what you're buying is like legitimate and not funding crime. Oh, yeah. Anyways, so those places I would suggest would be like flannels. What's that other one called? Enclothing, places like that. Or if you're really at a stretch, Sunglass Hut. You might want to go to Vista Village if you want to make a saving. But any major department store, Selfridges, Harrods, John Lewis, Liberty, Harvey Nichols. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything else you want me to discuss or touch on, let me know. Yeah, feel free to comment and like, post, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if there's any other events coming up in the summertime that you think I should review or go to, any festivals, any shows at the O2 that you might be interested in or would like to see me go to and tell you about, then let me know. I'll be more than willing to do that. Yeah. Thanks again for rocking with me.